Hey guys, for anybody that was wanting to try the conferences, I tried it with a couple of my kids today and it worked great. But there are a couple buttons that you have to hit to make sure that they can see each other and that they can see you. So I just wanted to show you real quick. So you pick whichever Schoology course you want to go to, or it will also work in groups. Then over on the side, just go down to where it says conferences and click on that. Once you're in here, create a new conference, just call it whatever you want. You can put a start time if you want. You just click which day you want it to happen on, and then create it. And then whenever you are ready, this is when the kids can start popping in. You actually have to come in and hit start conference. Okay, when this screen pops up, you want to make sure you hit microphone, otherwise you're only going to be able to hear what's happening. Allow. Test your voice. Okay, I can hear it, so yes. Okay, once you are in here, if you come over here to where this little knob is, or the dial, whatever you call it, click on it. And then go down to where it says create breakout rooms. And then your kids that are already signed in, all of their names are going to pop up right here. And you just take them and then you drag it to the room. Then you can switch this up here to whatever time you need. So you just type it in. So if you want to go for 30 minutes or whatever, and then you hit create. And then all of the kids will start popping in. This should pop up on their screen also, and then they just have to hit join room, and then you're in. And then again, you just go through these same steps. So I know that was a lot, but if you want to give it a try, I'm happy to jump on with you in one of your courses or whatever. So just let me know if you guys need help with figuring this out.